All right, viewers, welcome back. You're watching Times Now. I'm Meenakshi Upreti. We are starting the bulletin with the big breaking news which is coming in. This is related to the Jharkhand stir. We have a big update which is coming in that the CJP has announced a delegation of CJP is likely to visit Ranchi. They are likely to join the stir, visit Ranchi. This is amidst the ongoing students' protest. Arunil is joining us live on the broadcast. Arunil, this is very, very significant because earlier we had many who were questioning the CJP, accusing them perhaps even of double standards, and now the CJP, about 14 days into the stir, an announcement coming in that their delegation will be going to Ranchi amidst the ongoing students' protest.
Well, the question also arises over here, Meenakshi, is Abhijit Dipke as well as the CJP acting under pressure? Are they acting under pressure? Because they have been asked about this question since around a week now. The protest enters its 14th day in Ranchi, the capital of Jharkhand. And now Abhijit Dipke, basically when he was speaking to the media after the conclusion of the two-day meeting in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, the two-day core committee meeting of the CJP party, Abhijit Dipke clarified, saying that we will act as a pressure group in support of these job aspirants who have been protesting against the alleged irregularities in the JPSC civil services preliminary examinations. We've also been calling for a cancellation of the examinations as well. Now, Abhijit Dipke also said that a group basically from the Cockroach Janata Party, CJP, a core committee group, will also be traveling over there. Basically, a delegation from the CJP will be traveling. This is what Abhijit Dipke clarified. Now, whether Abhijit Dipke himself will be traveling with the delegation, that he has not exactly clarified, but he pointed towards the fact that he's also recovering from typhoid. So there was a pressure mounted particularly by the ruling dispensation, the BJP, asking the question to the CJP, saying that you protested for
the question, obviously, Arunil, very quick question. The delegation, is it going to comprise of Dipke himself or not? Is he also going to be a part of this delegation? Do we have any clarity on who all will be a part of this delegation? Will, the faces of the protest, the big faces of CJP, will they be going into Ranchi today?
Well, Abhijit Dipke was asked about it. Now, he has said a delegation, our delegation will be going there, and we will act as a pressure group to support the protesters. So now, whether he himself is going or no, that he has not clarified, but he mentioned about the aspect that he is recovering from typhoid. So, who exactly, whether the faces of the CJP, be it Saurabh Das or the other leaders, they will be traveling or no, that is not yet been made clear by Abhijit Dipke or from the CJP side. But yes, our delegation will be traveling. This has been confirmed, and it will be, they are in support of the protesters in Jharkhand. This is what they said, and they want the government to, Hemant Soren government to basically cater to the demands of the protesters. This is what Abhijit Dipke has clarified, and he said that our delegation is going to act as a pressure group to mount more pressure on the Hemant Soren government.
All right, Arunil, do stay with us. We'll keep coming back to you. It's a fast developing story. In fact, we have many reactions also coming in, viewers. We have a new reaction of Devendranath Mahato, the activist who is on a hunger strike. It's been 14 days since the protest is continuing. The hunger strike obviously also continues. Listen into what he's had to say.
सरकार का रवैया को देख रहे हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा छात्र के प्रति असंवेदनशील है। कभी उनका कोई अधिकारी पदाधिकारी आते हैं, बोलते हैं कि वार्ता के लिए सरकार तैयार है, प्रतिनिधिमंडल का नाम भेजिए। ये 3 दिनों से चल रहा है। वार्ता होना चाहिए ताकि ये वार्ता एक ऐसा अहम और महत्वपूर्ण हो कि राज्य के सभी छात्र संतुष्ट हो।
Okay, we heard the latest reaction coming in of Mr. Mahato. In fact, Rahul Gandhi has spoken out on the issue. He has said that he stands with the students. Listen into what he's had to say.
देखिए, स्टूडेंट प्रोटेस्ट जो देश में हो रही है, एजुकेशन सिस्टम के खिलाफ हो रही है। मैंने साफ कहा है, देहरादून में कहा है, कोटा में कहा है और इलाहाबाद में जाकर कहने वाला हूं। हमारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम कोलैप्स्ड है, बहुत महंगा है और ऑप्रेसिव है। हर सरकार को स्टूडेंट्स की बात सुननी चाहिए और एजुकेशन सिस्टम को बदलने के लिए एक्शन लेना चाहिए, चाहे वो कांग्रेस की सरकार हो, नेशनल सरकार हो या झारखंड की सरकार हो।
As far as Rahul Gandhi is concerned, he's spoken out to the students. He's given a message to the students. He says that whether it is Congress or any other party which is ruling, the Congress, he says, will be ensuring that action is taken. It's not just promises. Students have also spoken out. Listen into all the reactions.
हम लोगों ने अपनी मांग उनको बताया कि ये हमारी मांग है, हमारी जो सारी मांगे हैं एग्जाम को रद्द को लेकर के, जांच को लेकर के और रिफॉर्म्स को लेकर के। उन्होंने कहा कि आपके मांगों के साथ हम खड़े हैं, आप हमें अपना मांग पत्र बताइए और हम सरकार से इस संबंध में बात करेंगे कि आपको मांगों को मान लिया जाए। हाँ, उन्होंने कहा कि आप जो डिमांड है उसकी एक प्रति मुझे भेज दीजिए, मैं आपकी डिमांड को देख के सरकार से बात करूंगा।
आदरणीय राहुल गांधी जी ने बोला ठीक है, आप लोग का जो भी कुछ मांग है आप मांग को हमारे व्हाट्सएप कीजिए हमको, हम उस पर गंभीर है और जो भी हमसे बन पाएगा हम करेंगे, यही बात हुआ। तो उनका कहना था कि हम सरकार से बात करेंगे, लेकिन हम आपके माध्यम से आदरणीय राहुल गांधी जी से यही अपील करूंगा, अगर आप सच में छात्रों के साथ हैं तो अपना स्टैंड को क्लियर कीजिए कि हम